Hey, what's up guys? Sloth here. Today we're working on the 2006 Lexus RX 330. And do you have a problem with your back liftgate not staying open? Like this? Well, if you do, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that problem. It's actually very easy. So let's dig right in. All right, so the solution is actually really easy. This only happens when it is below 75-ish degrees out, and it's because our little gas struts right here, or shocks, they're just worn out, and over time they will lose the ability to hold the lift gate up. Now, whenever you manually open it, it will stay up, but it's the motor that's not recognizing that it can stay up. I guess there's not enough resistance in it, so it'll just manually close because it seems like there might be a stability issue. So we are going to replace these, and they are extremely easy to replace. If you look at the side of them, there's a little retention clip that just holds themselves onto a little pivot ball, and all we need to do is pop it off. So let's go ahead and grab our new ones, set them aside, and then pop one off at a time. All right, so here they are, same part number. I just picked these up off of Rock Auto. They're on sale. Technically, they're just called lift supports or dampers. And if you look at them, they do come with new hardware. So our hardware actually looks pretty fine. It's just a little dirty, so I'm not going to replace those. I'm just going to pop this off of the new hardware right here, and then just replace the actual support itself. So you will need either a screwdriver or a pry bar. All right, so once you have your screwdriver or pry bar, all you really need to do is just wedge it right into here, and then it will release the clip, if it will release the clip. Be kind of careful with it, just like pry it a little bit, and then it'll pop right out, just like so. Now, if you're going to replace the whole entire hardware with it, you don't have to worry about this. All right, easy as that. So let's do the same thing right on up here. So with this, you gotta be kind of careful. If the other support is weak, the hatch will slowly fall. All right, let's start with this side. Oh, come on, you. You might have to lift up on it so you can rotate it. But it should just rotate and pop right off. Like so. See what I mean? The trunk is starting to fall a little bit. So I'm just going to rest it on my head real quick, or actually on my shoulder. Okay, for the time being, I have it propped up on a stick. So I'm just going to work quickly, pop that guy off. Get our new one. The new one literally just goes right on there. It'll pop right on. And let me push this back up so you can see how the top one goes on, how easy it actually is. So I think you can see it, hopefully. Just have this guy and just push it. Oh, push it right on. There we go. Easy peasy. Just don't get crushed by the hatch. All right, now we're gonna do this side. So same thing on this side. Pop this off. All right, let's see if it holds up. Not really. But I can kind of hold it in place while I get the bottom one. Once that low spring comes up, you can just twist it and it'll pop right off like that. And like I said, pop the new one on, get the top one, then boom, you're good to go. I guess I should have used like the head mount version. Oh, there's some stuff on my lens. Probably when I dropped it. But yeah, I guess I should have just used the head mount for my camera so you could actually see. But I mean, it works. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna close it and then we're gonna try to open it with the remote. All right, it is closed. Let's open it up. Voila, it stays up. No more falling down on your head while you're trying to take groceries out. My mom is going to love this. But anyways, it's really that easy, guys. So this will work with any single vehicle that has the same lift supports, especially with an automatic LiftGate. If your hood is doing the same thing, if it's not staying open, just replace your lift supports. They're really not that expensive. If you go the dealer route, sometimes they can be like $40 a pop. But anyway, I'm gonna leave these ones that I used in the description below or something equivalent. And hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, awesome, glad to hear it. If you guys want to support the channel, you can go ahead and pick up one of these hats. I have some t-shirts. I have the link to my description, but I have the link to my shop in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.